Hi everyone, this is Harlis from SINOTRUK-Man. In this video, I will introduce
the SINOTRUK-Man MC05 series of automotive engine. SINOTRUK Hangzhou Engine CO Limited was established in 1958 and produced China's first high-speed automotive diesel engine, the 6120 in 1965. In 1984, it fully introduced Austrian Steyr technology. Today, building on its decades of expertise in Steyr engine manufacturing, it has developed a series of high-performance automotive engines, including the WD615, WD615 and D10 series. In 2009, SINOTRUK partnered with Germany's MAN and introduced advanced engine technology, which has been localized into the MC series. The company has successfully built a world-class engine manufacturing system with production equipment and capabilities ranking among the best globally.
The SINOTRUK MC05 series features an inline 4-cylinder,
water-cooled, turbocharged, and intercooled high-pressure common rail diesel engine. The engine has a total displacement of 4.9 liters and features bore by stroke of 108 mm by 134 mm. The net weight is 520 kg.
This series features a turbocharged and intercooled intake system,
with power outputs ranging from 147 kW to 180 kW, and a rated speed of 2,200 RPM.
Maximum torque ranging from 820 to 930 Nm,
enabling a powerful and stable power output. Equipped with a Bosch 1800 bar electronically controlled common rail fuel injection system, it achieves a minimum fuel consumption rate of less than or equal to 197 grams per kilowatt-hour, with excellent fuel economy.
The MC05 series is based on the German MAN technology,
with optimized design featuring high strength, lightweight, low noise, and high reliability.
With both higher pressure, common rail system,
it delivers high efficiency, low fuel consumption, and meets mainstream national emission standards. It is suitable for medium and heavy trucks, light trucks, buses, and other commercial vehicles.
The standard MC05 series of automotive engines
comes with the following accessories:
fuel filter, ECU, oil cooler, cooling fan, flywheel. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SINOTRUK-Man at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.SINOTRUK.com.